Hi guys, welcome once again to another episode of Driver Whistle from Barz Beatz. Yeah, straight. Alright, I going to quick and fast now, but before I go in quick and fast, I have to say, people, respect for no feedback in my last review of Freedom Street. And me read all of them, me appreciate them. I said in it that I was going to talk about Popcorn and Chronic Law with Skatta thing way down at the last. Unfortunately, I couldn't do it because if you realize the video did end up cut. It was because the last part got corrupt, so I couldn't even get to edit it properly, and I never have enough time to do it over. So I say, you know what, let me let this go fast so that the fans them can watch it and tell me what I think. Honestly, you no did watch that and tell me. So I'm going to talk about the Chronic Law, Skatta and Popcorn. It's your quick and fast. So apparently Chronic Law and Popcorn never get in to come at the stage show on time. We don't know why them really never get in early, but what we understand is that basically they were outside and wait for 3 hours before they get to come in, and they were slated to perform at the event. Now after they got in and reached on stage, you know, them launched them frustration and sent Skatta deep under somewhere, and Skatta get upset about it. Now them never cuss out Joe too much, them cuss out Skatta. Now Skatta is the promoter, Joe is the owner of Dancehall Entertainment. Okay. Now Skatta rush Popcorn and things happen. We don't know what got me after that. Now, as a Jamaican, we know so when you tell a man if he go suck him mother, you push him button. As a Jamaican again, we know say when you tell a man go suck him mother is the highest form of disrespect you can do to him. Highest. There's nothing above that. Alright? And sucking your mother to Jamaica is a trigger phrase. Now, me don't know if you don't know what a trigger phrase is, but trigger phrase is basically, it is a phrase or a word, a trigger phrase or a trigger word, it evokes high emotion. So, sucking mother in a Jamaican thing is a trigger phrase. And you realize Skatta had so much to lose by attacking Popcorn. And he did because it triggered him so much. And now, from telling the man to go suck him mother, now man, if you have a pray if you watch him live, or if you have some man a guard him back, which may I say not necessary. You right, not necessary too. You see, Popcorn and Chronic Law are two lyricists. And by them being lyricists, it means they can find words for use, for talk about how them feel about not coming at the event. Rather than the first thing you do is show upon them father, Vibes Cartel or Popcorn, daddy in the business. And you go show your father, say, this year do when him in their prison. But it's out of disrespect and full and embarrassing. See? Because it's a big event. Regardless of people want to say, some people say no good, some people say good, some people have all different mixed emotion about it. But regardless what happen, your father first event when I do. And you go show a man say this. You can't show. Call out the promoter and tell him if you suck him in front of your father. See, Popcorn are my artist, Chronic Law my artist. And Chronic Law me have as one of the top lyricists them in the country. And Chronic Law could have say, yo, Skatta, that not right, you know, man. We have man outside that wait for 3 hours, that not right, you know. And Bill a tune said speed. Yo, white boy, this one, Skatta, this one, man, I'm not like people. And yeah, but, all right, Chronic Law, I saw you sing. You not like people, because we know. Right? Because I feel you talk that. You know, like people and you're paranoid and so. But I know for your event, I support you come to support a man, you know. And you come to come support him, man, and sure say, boy, he rough. You know, me sort of lose off a man them. And the man, if you understand again, say they are role models. So when you assure the people who are follow you, say watch out, if you're upset about something, first thing you do tell a man go suck him. I whole heap of life will last in our country, you know, brother. A whole heap of life will last because man I go use the tricks all the while, and man been using it. Because me say when a man tell you that, I tell you, say him not rate you, you know. Him not rate you. And a man I go defend it, some man I go defend it. Man I go deal with it different. And some man I go take you and say it's alright. Me don't know where it go from here. But at the end of the day, to me, never necessary, never call for. Bounty had the same thing coming his way. And Bounty tap in, perform, big up Cartel and cut. Yeah. Anyway, people, Me have another think about it still. You see me? Yeah, man. My comment is necessary. And I'm glad for them. I'm glad for the feedback. I'm glad for the cuss out too. Yeah, man. Big up one thing. Said speed. So yeah, big up on yourselves here. And make me know what to think about it. Drop your comments down in it and make you know. Discuss it. As usual, driver whistle. Have that.